Good evening, everyone. My name is Abdul Rashid Ali from Lagos.
Okay, you're joining us from Lagos. That is great. That is good. You're welcome. Okay, Felix Tiwaka, please unmute yourself and tell us where you are joining us from.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Felix Tiokas from Benue State.
All right, Felix from Benue State. That is great. Yes, Emmanuel. Okay, I think your network is stable now. Tell us where you are joining us from. Daramola. Unmute yourself, please.
Okay, sorry. My name is Olamide from Benue State.
All right, from Lagos State. That is great. Thank you so much for joining. We have Felix Chokosu. You're welcome, sir.
All right.
All right, where are you joining us from, sir?
Felix Tiokosu. You? Yeah, from Lagos. I'm from Benue State, but I'm joining from Lagos State.
All right, from Lagos State. That is great. Thank you so much.